सर कुछ भी नहीं. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can listen you, but I don't know that you can listen me or not.
I can listen to you. Just tell me what have you done in the previous lecture, and mute your mic.
What, sir?
Mute your mic. Okay. Um, Tawfiq. Okay, Tawfiq is not answering. He's absent. Then Shafiq.
Yes, sir.
Shafiq, what have you done in the previous lecture of English?
Sir, previous lecture.
Sir, previous lecture. No, sir is not lecture.
Sir, can I say also?
Yes, you can. Z, I think Z is there.
Yes, sir, we have done given word of
Very good.
lesson
Of?
number 9. Lesson
No, I
number
think
10.
lesson.
10.
Yeah. Yeah, lesson number 10 we started. Hard words also is given, right?
Sir, Harvard.
Yes,
Sir,
Shafiq.
Harvard's
What?
Yes.
meaning and given what?
Hard words
Hard words.
given word meaning.
Very good. So today we're going to start with the is really very interesting. Girls really enjoyed before this lecture because the lesson was very interesting regarding dogs. Okay, so people, you have to just sit with your folded hands. I would suggest that just listen to me what I'm saying because in between I'll be asking you the questions, and if you fail to answer me, I'm going to remove you from the group. If not today, tomorrow. But will not allow you to in this FF4. This lesson is going to be there. So the brave dogs. Let us start with the reading part. Uh, Here, Hassan, can you start with the reading?
Yes, sir.
Can Can you not hear me, Hassan?
No, sir, I'm hear you, but sir, I'm got a washroom, so.
Sorry. So if you are free, only then. Otherwise, I will give it to any other student.
No, sir, I come in 2 minutes.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. Okay. Mahir. Mahir is also not there. Or Mahir is busy in having a breakfast. Okay. To whom to say and not to say. Um, who will read the first paragraph?
Sir, can I with the yes?
Sir, I am Red Paryani Shafiq.
Okay. One, two, and three. First, Ayaz will read. Ayaz, read from here till very fast. And then mute your mic. Within a second, I will reply you.
Yes, sir. Lesson 10. Brave Dogs. Read these real life incidents where a pack of dogs helped save the lives of many. It was a. Sir, what is this? After a. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Sorry, dear students. I left for a minute. Yeah, did you read till very fast?
No, sir. I doesn't understand the word after A. So
Sorry, sorry.
I
Actually, I was
asked
having
you,
headache.
but you doesn't attend.
I was busy taking the pill because I was having headache. Sorry. Okay. So here again, beta.
What, sir?
Read it from here again.
Yes, sir. It was a. Sir, what is that?
Bitterly,
After. Uh,
bitterly.
Bitterly cold January in
Hmm. Gnome,
in Nom in northern
Alaska.
Alaska. The year was 1925.
Hmm.
Some children in the town fell ill and died. The doctor Curtis Welch
Very good.
realized that the man, sir, what is this?
Menace,
Man was dip,
diphtheria,
diphtheria, a disease that can affect quickly and
infect.
affect quickly
It
and
is not
spread
effect, it is infect.
infect quickly and spread from one person to another very fast.
Hold on. Okay, thank you for reading for me. Now, dear students, this is the real life story. This is not just a story, it is a real life incident. It has really happened. Okay, in 1925. So, in this story, the pack of dogs. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by pack of dogs? Mahir is there or he's still not able to answer? Yes, Garucha Mahir, are you there?
Sir, he's not there.
No problem. Who will be able to answer
No,
me?
sir,
What
he
is
is
the
not present. Hello.
no problem. Don't speak a lot. My head is spinning. What do you mean by pack of dogs?
Sir, so many dogs.
Sir, can I answer?
Yes. Answer, please. Pack of dogs means what? Group of dogs. Okay. So here a group of dogs did not only help but helped in a way that they saved the lives. That means to save the life. So life in the plural form becomes lives of many. That means of thousands of people. Dogs saved the life. See, we hate dogs. Sometimes we throw the stones on the dog. Yeah, sometimes we beat the dog. Sometimes we throw the slippers on the dog. But yes, every person has the negative thing. Similarly, dogs also have the negative thing. They do not have the house. So no one taught them what is manners and discipline. But still dogs are far better than the human beings. They saved the lives of the human beings. Now let us see what the story and how did they save the life in which way. It was bitterly cold January in Nome in the northern Alaska. So Nome is the place in Alaska, like Bhavnagar is the place in Gujarat. And bitterly cold. What do you mean by bitterly cold?
Sir, very much cold.
Sir, very much cold. Yes, sir is very much cold.
No,
So the
sir.
weather.
In Nom it is cold.
Okay, everyone mute your mic. So it was very, very, very. We can say it was extremely cold over there in Alaskan city, Nome. The year was 1925. Which was the year?
1925.
All the students need to speak, otherwise I will remove you one by one and zero for internal marks.
25.
1925.
1925.
And which was
1925.
the place? Which was the place?
1925. Gnome.
Which was the place?
Gnome.
Nom.
Gnome.
Home.
Okay. Thank you for answering. Now mute your mic. Some children in the town fell ill and died. Now, okay, we also fell ill. We get temperature, we get sneezing and cough problem. But here the situation was very tough. People not only started, falling ill, but they also started dying, especially the children. So the doctor Curtis Welch, what is the name of the doctor?
Curtis Welch.
Welch.
Yes, Welch.
Curtis when?
Very good. So
Curtis
the doctor, very good, very good. The doctor Curtis Welch realized that the minute was diphtheria. That means the main problem why the people were dying was the disease. The name of the disease is diphtheria. So in this disease, it can infect quickly from one people to another, from one person to another person. It can spread very easily, like say coronavirus. Now with the touch, it can spread very easily. So we are wearing the gloves, we are wearing the mask so that our saliva, when we spit out, it doesn't go any other person. So similarly, now as coronavirus was there, I should say was there. Now we have killed coronavirus. So previously in 1925, the disease was diphtheria. Which was the disease?
Diphtheria.
Everyone.
diphtheria bhai.
Who was that diphtheria? I
Sorry sir, I was
behave, please, and do not want to speak. Then don't speak, please. Bhai, and the recording is going on. So, a disease that can infect quickly and spread from one person to another very fast. So, this disease is a disease which can spread from one person to another person very easily, like the coronavirus was. Um, yes, Shafiq, can you read from here?
Yes, sir. At that time,
In mute.
Inuits, Inuits and Eskimos,
Eskimos,
Eskimo, Eskimos did not have the ability
ability.
to ability to fight the the what, sir?
What is this, first of all?
These
Then you said the. This
these
deadly
deadly the
disease.
disease. The doctor sent a message out asking for mm, me- medicines.
What is this, beta? Try to read it.
What
Medicines.
medicines?
The na- the
Shafiq, try
nearest
to read it. Try to read
the
it half half. Near means near. Est means est. Nearest.
nearest place from when these medicines called be sent was e-
Encourage.
encouraged by but the aeroplanes never flew in winter.
Okay, mute your mic, everyone. Now, what happened at that time? Whose mic is on?
Sir Rehan shakes.
Ma'am, throw please. Few students, please, ma'am, remove them. We do not need any kind of disturbance here. When I'm explaining, my link is being broken here. Neither do the answer nor do they. So at that time, Inuits and Eskimos did not have the ability to fight this deadly disease. Now, Inuits means are a group of people inhabiting the Arctic region of Greenland and Canada and Alaska. So are these people are originated from the Greenland, Canada, and Alaska. And let me tell you, these places are extremely cold. In Canada, if you have seen the videos, if you keep the car for 1 hour outside in the snowfall, and if you open the window, the snow is jammed on the window. You cannot open the door very easily also. And the same thing with Eskimos. So these are the words used, like we are the Indians. So Indian is used for people living in India. Same way, Inuits and Eskimos are the people living in the certain region of Alaska, Greenland, and Canada. And they were living in such a cold place, they were also not having the capability to fight against this disease. This disease was very dangerous. The doctor sent out the message. Who was the doctor? Who was the doctor?
Curtis Welch.
Well,
So what did he do? He sent out the message in the other countries or in the other states. He asked for the medicine of this disease because in that town medicine were not available. The nearest place from where these medicines could be sent was Anchorage. This is the name of the place. So this is the nearest place. Anchorage is the nearest place from where they can get the medicine. Which was the place? From where will they get the medicine?
Encourage.
Encourage.
Okay. But the aeroplanes never flew in the winter. That means obviously snowfall is there, very heavy snowfall is there. How can they fly the aeroplane? So again the situation was very bad. How can they reach to that place? Because though it was the nearest place, that means that place was very near compared to the other places. But still it was very, very, very far. Now you will see that how far it was. Who will read this paragraph?
Sir Hasan?
Yes, Hassan.
sir, Raju said.
Yes, sir. The governor of Alaska decided on an alternate route which was safer. 9 kilograms of medicines were sent by train to a place called Nana. Nana.
Nenana.
Nanana. Uh, since Nome, since Nome was 1,000 kilometers away from Nanana, it was decided that the medicines would then be transported to Nome by teams of Alaskan dogs, led by led by their mushers. mushers. They didn't want to rely on machines, given the sir. What is it written? Given the
Urgency.
urgency and the terribility
Terrible.
Terrible weather. It was going to be similar to a relay race where one batch of dogs would run for 100 and
Miles.
miles and hand the medicines over to the next group for the next 100 and
Miles.
miles and so on.
Okay. So now, dear students, let me explain this paragraph very easily by a small drawing here. So from where were they going to have the medicine? From the anchorage, right? And this was Anchorage. This
Yes,
place
sir.
was Anchorage. I need to choose another design. Okay. So basically, this is Anchorage. This is Nenana, and this is Nome. So I will write A for Anchorage, and E for Nenana, and N for Nome. So they were going to get the medicine from Anchorage. Just imagine, medicines from Anchorage will come to Nenana. Still, Nenana was 1,000 kilometers away from Nome. Was it a near or very far?
Very far.
Far.
Very far. Sir, very far.
Very
Obviously,
far.
because the train were going to come from Anchorage to Nenana. Now, train cannot go any further because here in 1,000 kilometers, full snowfall was there. So train was going to come from here, Anchorage to Nenana. From Nenana to Nome, 1,000 kilometers, dogs were going to run. Groups of dogs. Can dogs run 1,000 kilometers?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
They will die, and especially in this winter. So
Yes.
what they decided to do is, listen to me very carefully. What they decided to do is, let medicines come from Anchorage to Nenana. Now they will send the dog here in Nenana. Dogs will come from here, they will take the medicine to the halfway. From here again, halfway other group of dog. From here again, third group of the dog. This way they were going to divide the path. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So again, I would like to repeat this. From Anchorage, they would get the medicine till Nenana in the train. Now, after Nenana, train cannot move any further because heavy snowfall was there. The railway tracks were full jammed by the snow. So from here, Nenana, dogs were 3 to 4 groups of dogs were there. First group will come from here till halfway, again from here till halfway, again from here till halfway. So three groups of dogs will divide their work. Same as the laborers work in the new building construction, right? So they were also going to do the passing the parcel type of thing because 1,000 kilometer, if one group will run, the dogs will die. Even the musher will die. Musher means driver of the dog sledge. Sledge means what? Okay. How many of you have seen Santa Claus?
Yes, sir, Asan. Sir, in TV.
Yes, sir. Rehan Gobelani.
Okay. So you might be knowing that Santa Claus sledge is like this in design,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
And here the ropes
Yes.
are there. So same type of sledge was there for the dogs. Musher, that means driver will stand here. Dogs will be tied up by this ropes. So this way they were going to travel. Okay. Now let me come into the group and ask few questions so that Ahad,
Yes, sir.
Ahad, tell me this story is of which year?
1925.
Okay, mute your mic. Who is this Ali Bhai Gamers?
Ali Asgar.
Vasaya,
Thank
alias
you.
Vasaya.
I only called to him. He will answer me.
Yes, sir.
Ali Asghar Vasaya, your question is which was the place they were going to get the medicines from? From which place they were going to get the medicine? Please carefully pay attention when I am teaching you, otherwise these internal marks will not be count. Okay. Mahir,
Yes, sir.
from which place was they going to get the medicines?
Sir,
No, sir is not a
sir,
place.
sir, please speak again question.
From which place they were planning to take the medicines from?
Sir, I have not answered.
Very good. Mute your mic. Students, general question. From which place were they going to get the medicines from? Who will answer?
Sir, Hasan can
Sir,
answer.
I can say the
Yes,
answer.
Rehan.
Rehan Gabrani.
Yes, Rehan.
Sir, can I say Sheikh Rehan?
Gabrani Rehan.
Yes, sir. Sir, question.
I already asked the question. If you are not paying attention, then I'm sorry, beta.
Sir, can I say Sheikh Rehan?
Yes, Sheikh Rehan.
Sir, can I say
Now,
Hasan?
Sheikh Rehan said yes. Now he's sleeping or what? Okay, if you're not interested, I will not ask the questions.
Sir, Hasan can.
Yes,
Sir, encourage.
sir, encourage.
No, sir. Where the medicines are come. That place name. Encourage.
Yes. And from encourage, where the medicines will go?
To sir, Nome. To Nome.
No. To Nenana.
Yes. To Nenana and to Nenana, the medicines gone to Nome.
Yes. This way the medicines were going to travel to Nome. Okay. Hassan, continue reading from here.
Yes, sir. The journey was made by 20 mustards and around 150 dogs. The first musher to collect the medicines from Nanana on 27th January was Shannon, Bill Shannon, led by his dog,
Led.
led by his dog. Black, black eye, sir, black eye written no, black,
No, Blackie.
black e. The medicines then passed hands, throat, eyes, and snow. Hypothermia, 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 frost beat. Sir, what is written?
Hypothermia, frostbite.
Hypothermia and frostbite and other injuries till it reached Henry Ivanov. Ivanov. Henry Ivanov. However, sir, what is written?
Ivanov.
Ivanov too ran into trouble when his team ran into a reindeer. Reindeer,
Reindeer.
reindeer and got tangled up.
Tangled
Ju-
up.
Tangled up. Just then, Le- Leon had
Okay, mute your mic. Just then, Leonhard Seppala came in from the north. He was the fastest musher and known for covering the toughest terrain. Now, what happened? This full journey is given how one musher came to other and how other musher came to the third one. And here the numbers are written how many dogs went. So, how many mushers were there?
20.
All the
20.
okay, only two are the boys, other are the girls. They will not answer. Okay, 20 mushers and how many dogs?
150 dogs.
150.
150 dog.
So total
150
150
dogs.
dogs.
and the mushers total these many mushers and the dogs went for the journey to Nenana because obviously, like I said, only if one group will go, it is not possible because the roads were very hard to cross, right? It was not easy
Yes.
way or not an easy path, I should say. And around 150 dogs. The first musher to collect the medicines from Nenana on 27th January was Bill Shannon, led by his dog Blackie. Now let me erase this so I can make make a new one. Okay. Now here this is Nenana, for example, and this is Nome. So the first musher from here who was coming in the halfway was Bill Shannon, who was the first musher working here in Nenana. Bill Shannon. He was going to come from Nenana to halfway. This is Nenana. And this is Nome. So his main dog, there was a group of dog, but the main dog who was standing very first was Blackie. What was the name of his main dog?
Blackie.
Black tea.
The medicines then passed hands through ice and snow, hypothermia, frostbite, and the other injuries till it reached Henry Ivanov. Now, hypothermia is a dangerous condition in which body temperature reduces due to the loss of the body heat. And frostbite is also when your skin jams, in the morning, your hands, your legs are jammed because of the cold. That is called frostbite. So many different things happened to the drivers. Drivers were the human being, no? So obviously, if it is very cold, how can they survive there? So these all things happened when Bill Shannon reached to here Ivanov. So here it was Bill Shannon, I will write B. Here it was Henry Ivanov. Now from here, let's see who will come again. However, Ivanov too ran into the trouble when his team ran into a reindeer and got tangled up. So just then, Leonhard Sepala came in from the north. Now what happened? Henry Ivanov, when he was going in the halfway, his team tangled up means was I should say puzzled, was confused because from the mountain the snowfall comes down. Have you seen that situation?
Yes, sir.
From the mountains, the big snowballs come down like a mountains are breaking down. So
Yes, sir.
that type of yes, that type of incident happened with Ivanov. Still, Ivanov anyhow handled the medicine, and just then Leonard Stepala came in from the north. So now from the up direction, from the northern direction, Leonard Stepala came. So one, two, and three mushers are described here. First is Bill Shannon, second is Ivanov, third one to take the medicine was
Leon had Seppala. Sempola.
Leonard
Sample.
Seppel.
Yes, Sepala. Read it like an English person, no? Leonhard Sepala. Who can read like me, like a foreigner? Leonard Sepala.
Sir, Rasan can try.
Leonard Seppala.
You can try. Go on.
Leonard Sepala.
Oh, this was good. So he was the fastest musher and known for covering the toughest terrain. So from where the Leonard Sepala came, that was the toughest path. Terrain means the tough area to cross the land. So from where the Leonard Sepala came from the north, from the upper direction, he came down to here, meet Ivanov. So this was the toughest path. But still, Leonard Sepala was the fastest musher to drive the dogs and come. Okay. So let me ask you a few questions again, based on which I can give you internal marks.